can do. No. Oh my Lord. There's nothing we can do, man.
We gotta get out. Come on, we gotta get out. Come on, we gotta get out.
Wait, Tanika, wait. There's nothing you can do. It's best for you to stay in the truck, man. Oh my Lord. Fuck, man. Oh my Lord, bro. Fuck, man. Oh my Lord. Shit still fucking happening, man. Oh my Lord, it's an 18-wheeler coming. Oh my Lord. Come on. We safe, baby. We safe. We safe. Come on, man. Oh my Lord, man. This shit still, man. This is nasty ass pile up. I'm talking about we barely, man, we ain't touched nobody. Ain't that song? We ain't touched nobody. I'm finna get on some clothes.
Yeah, okay.
We ain't touched nobody.
Let me see if we hit them. Somebody hit us though.
Fuck, bro.
I turned mine off. Shit, is that for you okay?
Sorry.
I turned my car off.
Okay, this car next to you is smoking. If it catches fire, I want you all to be able to get out of the car.
Are they okay?
We got to do something.
Hold on.
Hey, can this truck back
Yeah,
up?
yeah, please.
Can that truck back up?
You alright, man?
Yeah.
That shit, boy. That shit. Wow.
Yeah.
Jeez.